Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you have a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or wired Ethernet and a controller or touchscreen ready. Next, pick a cloud gaming provider that supports your device and create an account. Once done, install the provider's app on your device and sign in. This immediately creates your profile and permissions. You're now ready to link payment and redeem any trial. Do that before launching to avoid interruptions and to test connectivity right away. Now you optimize for play. Open the app's streaming quality settings and select a bitrate matching your measured bandwidth. Lower it if you see stutter. Make sure your controller mapping and input sensitivity are set and test latency in a menu or short match. On your network, enable quality of service for gaming traffic and, if possible, plug into Ethernet. Finally, close CPU-heavy background apps and pause large downloads. These steps reduce jitter and keep frame delivery consistent for smoother gameplay. You finish by launching a short test session and checking responsiveness. If inputs feel immediate and visuals are stable, you're good to play. If you notice lag, first switch to wired Ethernet and reboot your router and device, then rejoin the session. This often clears network issues. If trouble continues, verify the app server or region setting and choose the nearest data center to reduce hop count. One key tip: if stutter remains, reduce stream quality to stabilize playback before increasing it again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.